even, yeah. Okay, PAL, it is same there, right? In the same
PAL, yes. Yeah, this is
05,
the
05, same transmitter. So PAL, same transmitter, widely open, malfunction full open, less pressure. So email one, this is less pressure. And one.
I'm sorry, I was on mute. No, it's the other way, right? It will be now opening when it's not supposed to be opened, right?
Yeah, it is now full open. So
Yeah.
this will have a low pressure.
Yes, correct.
Okay, but in HOP, I'm not able to see.
It should be there.
PAL.
Should be there on low pressure. Go to pressure low. Yeah, again,
It
this
is,
is malfunction open. Malfunction open, right?
where is your low pressure here? Where is current safeguard?
I don't know why they put LAH there. It should be PAL.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
although I mean this, of course, I mean valid alarm,
It's valid. It's
but
valid.
yeah. So PCB malfunction full open, right? Now we say same thing.
Yes. When not required.
Yeah, open.
Open when not required.
Yeah, yeah. So this will have potential low pressure stripper, have production loss, deferred
Yes.
production. Leading to loss of production. We have trip on low pressure.
Yes. Can you go back to the P90? I'm sure we have PAL.
This one. No, we don't have
Slipper,
low pressure.
slipper. Well,
We don't have low pressure trip.
no, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. I don't have PLL here. Okay, we don't have,
Hmm.
it's not